Hi, I'm Buzz, and here are some fast facts about cicadas. Did you know that cicadas have one of the longest insect lifespans? That's right, some cicadas can live up to 17 years, and we live most of it underground. Did you know cicadas are true bugs? So you can call us a bug and still be scientifically accurate. Did you know that cicadas can buzz louder than a lawnmower? Brum, brum, brum. Did you know that cicadas are active their whole lives? That's right, just because you can't see us doesn't mean we're not there. And we're not hibernating either. We're spending our time slowly growing, so we spend most of our time eating. Cicada!